back with the details of such an amazing platform, which is going to be the key for your successful future. So today we are talking about super success, where too many people spend money that they earn. But this is the single platform where you are going to get all the amazing benefit. So the official website of this platform is www.supersuccess.live. So basically, in this complete video, without wasting your time, directly we are going to talk about the complete income and business plan. But before that, I need to tell you about some of the unique advantages, such as joining in this platform could be done with both INR and crypto, and the withdrawal could also be done in both the currencies. Here you can see that you will be getting the benefit of working and non-working plan as well, where this is a 100% calculated system with 100% transparency, distribution, honest and backup system. So here you can live your life liability free and tension free. So in this platform, you will get to see all the products of the brands which you use in your daily life from day to night. So it will be easy for you to purchase these products and to get the advantage of special discount as well. So now if we talk about the joining amount, so if you get the product package booking, so that would be around 2,100 rupees, where 100% distribution will be done. If you want, you can avail all the benefit without any condition by booking only the product from 2,100 rupees, or else you can avail the product whenever you want by paying 400 rupees extra. So that is the amount of the joining product package, which is 2,500 rupees. So the market bounded product online purchase discount voucher of 3,000 rupees would be provided to you. Names and photos of the branded companies has been already displayed on your screen. So along with this joining product package, you will get rupees 3,000 worth of discount vouchers, separate benefit of rupees 3,000 daily cashback and welcome bonus, and the benefit of rupees 6,000 against a total of 2,500 rupees. So once you join this system, then you will get the benefit of different types of bonus from here, such as the daily cashback bonus, daily royalty fund, direct sponsor, level, binary matching, auto pool benefits, and many more, which has been displayed on your screen. And among all these benefits, 100% distribution would be provided. So the joining package is of 2,500 rupees, on which you will get the benefit of 3,000 rupees of discount voucher. Along with that, you will get the opportunity to earn from 14 wide variety of incomes as well. So one by one, we are going to discuss all these income, where first of all, if we talk about the daily cashback welcome bonus, so this is a fully non-working income. So the company will withdraw rupees 200 from every new joining daily, and that total fund will be distributed equally to all the members who have joined the company. So you will get this income till you get a total of 3,000 rupees. Then you will get this non-working cashback bonus. You will continue to get it. And if you have earned rupees 3,000 from company through any income of the company, then this welcome bonus will stop for you. Rest of the income will continue. That is, you have given rupees 2,100 and you have received 3,000 rupees as your welcome bonus from non-working. Now the next benefit what you can get from here is the weekly cashback welcome bonus, which is again a completely non-working income. So in the company, any member's income is generated from Silver Auto Pool, Gold Auto Pool, 1 to 9 and Platinum Auto Pool. By deducting some of that income, a weekly cashback bonus fund has been created. For those who do not get an income of rupees 2,100 to rupees 3,000, it is bonus weekly cashback bonus will be continue to be available. That is, you will get two type of cashback bonus income up to 3,000 rupees against the total of 2,100 rupees. So by combining both the cashback, you will get a total of 3,000 rupees only. After moving ahead, if we talk about the direct sponsor income which you can get from here. So friends, here you can do the direct sponsors as much as you want. So from every direct sponsor, you will get 200 rupees. And you can do unlimited direct sponsoring to get the unlimited earning benefit. You will get the sponsor income again every time your direct sponsor completes Silver Auto Pool, Gold Auto Pool and Platinum Auto Pool. And you will get the recurring income on all of their reinvestment as well. Now, after this, moving ahead, if we talk about the level income which you can get from here, so you will get the benefit of level income from 5 levels, where from first level you will get 50 rupees, second level 20 rupees, third level 15 rupees, fourth level 10 rupees, and from fifth level you will earn 5 rupees as the level income benefit. Here, in order to get the income from first level, you need to do one direct. To get the second level income, one direct is compulsory. And to get the income from third to fifth level, one more direct sponsor is required. So if you want to earn income from all 5 levels, then you have to do a total of 3 direct sponsor. And this is how you can get the benefit of level income. But if any of your level income team complete silver pool, gold pool, then you will getting level income again and again till 5 levels. Every time your 5 level team re-enters, every time you earn silver pool and gold pool income, you will get level income again and again. So just by creating the team once, again and again you can get the benefit from here. Now, by moving ahead, if we talk about the daily binary matching income which you can get from here. So friends, on a single pair you are going to get 150 rupees, where the first pair will be counted in the ratio 2:1 or 1:2, and after that all the pairs would be counted in the ratio 1:1. So on each pair you will get 150 rupees as your daily binary matching income, and in order to be eligible to get this income, you have to do one direct in left and one direct in right, which is compulsory. If we talk about the capping, so the capping is of 5 lakhs in 12 hours, that is 750. 2 cutoff in 24 hours, that means for 2 sessions the capping per day would be 1500 rupees. The closing time is 12 am to 12 pm and 12 pm to 12 am. Along with that only, every third lakh cutoff, every third lakh payout will not be available, such as third, sixth, ninth, and so on. So this is how the daily capping is 1500 rupees. So if we make this monthly, so from one ID you can earn up to 45,000 rupees, and the power lakh carry forward would be done here. Where now if we talk about the weekly binary matching income. So binary weekly matching income fund has been created by deducting some of the income which are generated by anyone globally in the company through silver auto pool numbers 1 to 9 and gold auto pool numbers 1 to 9. So this fund will be distributed equally among those who have made more legs in a week. The one who has made more legs in a week will get more income. Similarly, you can get 2 types of binary matching income. Daily binary income, which will be capped at 1500 rupees per day, and for weekly binary, there is no fixed amount. Now, after this, if we talk about the daily ruby royalty and the daily diamond royalty, so in order to get the daily ruby royalty benefit, you need to do 3 direct sponsor within 7 days. So if you can complete these 3 direct sponsor within 7 days from the date of your joining, the company would withdraw 100 rupees from every new joining, and that fund would be equally divided in daily ruby royalty achiever. This ruby gives you royalty up to rupees 25,000. Whereas if we talk about the daily diamond royalty, so you can get this up to 50,000 rupees. So in order to get this royalty, you have to become ruby. It is necessary to make 3 direct sponsors within 10 days, and completing the structure of 1 plus 3 plus 9, that is 13, can also entitle you to diamond royalty. The company withdraws rupees 150 from every new joining and distribute the entire fund equally among the daily diamond royalty achiever. So you will get this diamond royalty up to rupees 50,000. Now, if we talk about the weekly royalty, so basically this fund has been created by deducting some of the income earned by anyone in the company globally from the silver auto pool and gold auto pool. Whatever is weekly royalty will be, the total fund will equal to the 3 royalties given like this. So it will be divided weekly, such as 35% in ruby royalty, 50% in diamond royalty, and 15% would go to the software maintenance here. And similarly, you can see that you will get all the benefit of daily royalty as well as the weekly royalty. Now, if we talk about the platinum, completely non-working global auto pool, so here you will get to see that this world would run globally after you enter it. If you have not promised anything, if you have not done any working without any condition, this fully non-working auto pool will keep on providing you recurring income. A 500, you will get it, and you will get it auto re-entries again and again. There will be only one pool of rupees 500 and you will get re-entries again and again to gain the income again and again. So the details of Platinum fully non-working global auto pool are like this. You will get 500 rupees from A and 500 rupees from B. 500 rupees will be for you plus 500 of C will be total 1000. A's interest of rupees 500 plus D's rupees 500 will give total of 1000 to B. Everyone would be distributed according to the calculation, such as your total income would be 1000, out of which 500 would go to re-entry, last profit of 250, and 500 of A's rent, 50 of the sponsor, 50 for partner fund, 100 for weekly cashback bonus fund, and 50 for company. Once a pool is completed, distribution will be as per the calculation. With that only, the complete details in the entire 2-page has been displayed on your screen. Along with that only, if we talk about the gold fully non-working global auto pool, so here also the same system comes over there. You can see a total of 9 global pools has been displayed over here, such as in the first pool where there is a team of globally 3 members, you will get 250 from them each. So total amount would be 750 rupees. Out of that, your profit would be 100 rupees, 50 rupees would be used for partner fund, and 600 would be used for your auto upgrade in the second pool. Similarly, in the second pool, from 3 members, you will get 600 rupees from them each. Total amount which you will get would be of 1800 rupees. Your total income is gonna be 200 rupees. 250 are going to be for rent, 50 for weekly cashback fund, and 1300 would be used for auto upgrade third pool. Similarly, if we directly talk about the profit which you can get from all the pools, so from third pool, your total profit would be 400 rupees. From fourth pool, your total profit would be 800 rupees. From fifth pool, you will earn 2000 rupees. From sixth pool, 3000 rupees. From seventh pool, 5000 rupees. From eighth pool, you will earn a total profit of 10,000 rupees. And from ninth pool, you will get a total profit of 2 lakh rupees. So this is how, through the gold fully non-working global auto pool, you can earn a total benefit of around 2,22,500, and that also you are going to get again and again as per the given example, and all the other details and distribution has been also displayed on your screen. Similarly, when we talk about the silver fully non-working global auto pool, so here also total of 9 pools are there. Where if we talk about the first pool, so when there is a global team of 3 members, you will get 10 rupees from them each. Total income would be 30 rupees. And in the second level, when there is a team of 9 members, 140 from them each, that means total 1260. So this is how the total amount you receive is 1290, out of which 150 would be used for auto re-entry in first pool, 50 per partner fund, 150 will be your profit, and 940 rupees would be used for auto upgrade in second pool. Similarly, the second pool works over here. When there are 3 members, you will get 100 rupees from them each. Total amount would be 300. When there are 9 members, you will get 840 from them each. Total amount would be of around 7,560. So this makes a total of 7,860 rupees, out of which 1,650 rupees would be used for auto re-entry in the first pool, where your 11 re-entries would be placed. 100 rupees for weekly cashback fund, 100 for weekly royalty fund, 100 for weekly binary fund, 100 to your sponsor, 100 20-20 split in 5 levels, 210 will be your profit, and here all the other details has been displayed on your screen. So this is how all the 9 pool works over here also, where directly we talk about the total benefit which you can earn from here. So after the completion of the 9th pool, the total profit you will get from here would be more than 12 crore 16 lakh rupees. Re-entry would be done worth of 8 lakh rupees, and all the other distribution has been also displayed over here. So this is how you can get the benefit of these global areas, where now finally we talk about the promoter partners benefit. So 50 rupees will be deducted from every joining on daily basis which comes in the company. It will be distributed equally to all the promoter partners, and silver auto pool of any company in the company worldwide globally global auto pool, platinum auto pool will be completed. All 3 pools will be completed. Withdrawal of 50 plus 50 plus 50, and all this fund will also be given to the promoter partner. This income will be distributed equally and this income will come again and again. So likewise, these are the complete details of this platform of Super Success, which provides you 14 wide variety of types of incomes, which can provide you a life-saving opportunity. So in order to be the part of this platform today itself, you can visit www.supersuccess.live. Thank you.